Hello guys, welcome to our fourth video, and in this video we are going to be um, talking about Canva, right? The software of our choice for us to use here is Canva, right? And a lot of you might be hearing Canva, some of you might be professionals in it, while some other people might just have created accounts in it and have not really used it for anything because they did not have a tutorial like this to really help them, guide them, walk them through, right? So this is what we're going to be doing in this video. We're just going to be doing a typical walkthrough, right, of Canva before we go forward into designing. So for this video, you're going to be seeing the PC version, that's the laptop version, and you're also going to be doing the mobile version for those of you that have your smartphones and do not have a laptop, right? Now let's get straight into it. First of all, you can go to canva.com, canva.com on your browser, right? For those of you that are using the web version, go on your browser and then you can log on to it on your browser, and then you can also choose to download the application, right? Go to the Microsoft Store or anywhere you get your PC softwares from and download the software, right? For me now, I'm using the software. You can also use the web version, that is fine. Now when you open the software that has been downloaded on your laptop, this is what you're going to see. This is the screen. Now it will prompt you to log in through your browser. So once you click login through your browser and you have like an existing login, you can just go forward to login. Then when you log into on your browser, it redirects you back to the application, right? But if you still want to use the browser, that is totally fine. All the interfaces so far they are on the laptop or on your PC, it is still the same thing, right? So now I'll click login through browser. It takes me to the browser and you might not be seeing it, but it shows you two options. It says yes, continue to Canva app. It tells you continue as so and so. It gives you your email, login, blah blah blah. Then I'll say yes and it will prompt me to open in Canva, right? Now you can see it saying finish logging in and it has opened up for me. Now if you're just starting to use Canva, right, you might not see some of these works here. Like some of these works are some of the works that I've done using Canva, some of the client works that I've done using Canva over time, right? They are very exciting works that I'm really proud of, right? So first of all, you'll be greeted with this. It says step into a world of learning, right? First of all, we are going to be looking at all the tabs at the left hand side here, right? You can see create, you can see home, you can see project, you can see templates, Canva AI and apps, right? We're going to be moving through all of them as we move forward. And also you can also see, let me shift my camera here. You can also see your alarm, that's like your notifications. You can also see like your settings, right, your profile. So if you click on the profile, it shows you your settings, themes, right, help and resource, what's new, plans and pricing, and the rest. It shows you what plan you are, it shows you your purchase history and the rest, and then log out. So with time you can go about and explore those parts. Is very important, especially when you want to use like the pro version, because Canva has like a pro version also, right? It gives you it enables you to get it enables you to it gives you access to a lot of other templates, right, and a lot of other things that you can do with Canva. Now first of all, the home button here, right? Okay, let's first start up with this menu. This menu just shows you to invite people and then a couple of your recent designs. Then we have the home button. The home button here, when you click the home button, when you click the home button, after the home button will come to the create button. When you click the home button, you are greeted with this. Now you can choose to see your designs. When you click your designs, it shows up your designs, right? You can search for your designs, search for folders, search for any uploads that you've made, and then you can see all of them here. Then you have templates. Right? You can choose from a million templates. Like now you can see that these are brand style guides. For those people who are designers, a brand style guide is like a document that enables you to use your logo. So let's take for example, you buy a new television now, right? The manual, that is what a brand style guide is. It helps you to be able to use. So you can see now that you can use Canva for almost any design project. You can see sales report here. You can see a whole lot of other things. So let's take for example, I want to search social media templates, social media designs. So when I click on it, you see it gives me a lot of templates, right? So now you can see this crown here, right? This particular crown here. What this crown is saying is that this premium template is included with my Canva Pro plan, right? If you don't have the Pro plan, you see it shows that crown will show yellow. That is to say you've not subscribed for it yet. But if you subscribe for it, it will show you the grayed out. It will be like gray, right? So I think the Canva Pro in Nigeria, as of the time of recording this video, per month is about 2,800, right? And then per year is about 23,000 naira. So you know that if it's something that is worth the investment when you are getting jobs, right? Make sure you get jobs. So what I like to do is that when I get a job, so not when you are learning. If you have the resources, fine, right? But when you get a job, you subscribe for the Pro version, right? That would help you to do the job better. Gives you an elaborate amount or an expanded amount of social media resources or flyer resources, design resources that you can use for your client's project, right? So this is what we have, the social media flyers and all, blah blah blah. So that's where the templates come. Now you have Canva AI. Now, like all the other AIs that we've used, right, to be able to help us generate images and stuff, Canva also has an AI that can also do that, right? You can come here, it says see what you can do with AI. You can write. Canva AI can write for you. It can generate images for you, right? It can promote in natural, or it can help you design, but I'm not sure how the design is actually elaborate, right? So okay, let's test it, right? Let's test Canva design. So click on this place, right? Design for me, right? After I'll click on design for me, I'll tell it design a social media flyer for a brand called Elevate Media. Come on, let it be a square resolution and for Instagram use the colors yellow, okay, or use the colors blue and white with a promotional text that says welcome to Elevate Media, where we elevate your brand for more opportunities, right? I will tell it use an image of a beautiful African lady. smiling, right? Let's see what it does. So the AI is thinking now. It's finalizing our design. So you can see that we described some elements of the design for it, right? We told it we wanted blue as the color. We told it our text, and then we gave it an image to work with, right? So now you can see that it has done some of the design for us. But now you can see that if you are actually okay, you see now that you can refine your design from here. It's only that's why I say AI is only a tool to help you. At the end of the day, you still need that design or that knowledge, knowledge of the principles, the elements, and all those other things to help you adequately do your designs and make sure that they come out very well, right? So let's take, for example, for a corporate brand now. I'm not sure you'll be able to use most of these. Okay, maybe this last one you might be able to do it, you might be able to use it, but yes, AI is just for your inspiration, right? So that covers the Canva AI part aspect of like this Canva tabs, right? So we'll move forward to the next tabs. Here we have projects, nothing much, just your projects like I've said before. Then we have templates, right? This is where you can get all your templates. You can browse them by category. You can see all the categories of templates that they are on Canva, right? You can see all the categories of templates that they are on Canva. You can also see basically all the categories that they are on Canva. You can also see templates, choose. So let's take for example now, I know a lot of us don't know that Canva has like videos and can do like videos, right? So, but yes, Canva is also good at videos to an extent, motion design also. Let's take for example now this this Fast and Furious is okay, this Fantastic Four. Okay, now look at this. Let's take for example now we want this. You can see this is like a motion design of some sort. Now if you want to use this now, you just click customize this template and then you are good to go. But now what we are going to do, we're going to come back to this later, right? While we are designing our flyer, remember the image that we generated in the third video or the second video, right? So we are going to be using that image coupled with our background to design, right? So this is where this is where all the templates are. You can choose from here and edit. That's all. Then you have your brand, right? You can store your brand colors, you can store your logo, you can store your typography here if you want, right? So that you don't need to be adding them every time, right? You know, I told you about a brand style guide. So a brand style guide will contain your logo, it will contain colors, your color palette, your set of color palettes. It will contain your typography, the typography that you use for that particular project, right? And also it will contain it will also contain a couple of other things too, right? A couple of other things that you will need to add into it. So let me not make this video too long. Then we also have Canva apps, right? Canva has integration with other apps. There are other apps that enable you to do a lot more in Canva, right? So you can see Sprout Social, Light Lab, you can see textures. Now some of you might be thinking, there are some logos that some brand gives, like let's take for example the logo of Coca-Cola, the logo of Facebook, the logo of so and so brand. Canva has an app in Canva that can help you bring those logos, right? To just pull them from their repository and then you can use them in Canva. There is almost nothing you cannot do. You can see the plethora of apps that are available to you in Canva, right? For project management, text styling, video and animation. You can even say Lutey animation. Lutey animation is one of the leading world largest customizable animation library, right? You can use Lutey animations, right? So but mind you, for each of these apps that require subscriptions, you need to have subscriptions on their individual platforms so as you'll be able to integrate them into Canva, right? So that brings us to the end of the laptop overview or the PC overview for Canva. The next video is going to be for the mobile people that are using the mobile version. That one shouldn't be long, but I advise you that if you're using the mobile version, please watch this one, because most of the things that I'm going to be talking about, they are just going to be the same, only that their placements on the mobile version will just be slightly different, right? So I'll catch you guys in the next video as we move forward in designing on Canva. Thank you very much.